Good morning, guys. I just came back from my morning walk. NC gets hotter after sometimes, so I try to finish it early time of the day. That way, it is not so hot. So forgive my messy bun. I haven't combed my hair yet. I just finished my shower. Usually, Sundays I do my facial surface resurfacer as my exfoliator. I thought, why not? I will do it with you guys here because it's been so long since I did a video in stories. So I'm going to do my exfoliation now. Facial resurfacer is one of my all-time favorite, which I cannot skip with. If you never have exfoliated, this is like a quick facial you can do for yourself because like any other thing, our skin produces dead skin cells constantly. So if you don't exfoliate, whatever skincare you are going to apply, it's not going to penetrate well and you won't see the results as such. So doing an exfoliation once or twice a week will really improve the skincare. And facial resurfacer is the one I do on Sundays, and I do the polishing exfoliator on Wednesdays. They both are more or less the same, except the consistency differs. They both are made with volcanic ash, which is really good for your skin and acts as a nice exfoliator. This one is black and it has walnut shells in it. So it is more of a scrubby consistency, whereas the polishing exfoliator will be smooth. So depending upon what you like, whether if you like smooth, then you can go ahead with the polishing exfoliator. And if you are okay with the scrubby consistency, then you can go with this. This is such a value for your buck. Like, I mean, this will last you like minimum 6 to 8 months. That's what I will say, because you will just use like a tiny amount for your whole face, and you will use just for 2 minutes to clear up. It's not so long. If you want, you can even leave it as a mask. If you don't want to scrub, or if you have extra time, you can do that too. I always do it in my shower. That way I can finish it with my morning day skincare line. So the first thing is, always make sure you have some water on your face. So let me go ahead and wet it a bit. Then I'm going to take like a tiny amount. You don't need a lot. As I said, you are just going to use this much. This will be entirely fine for your entire face. You can use it all over your body too. That's a good exfoliator for like a body scrub. So since I had a little bit of water, once you scrub it, it foams up a bit, and then you can just apply it all over your face just for 2 minutes in circular motion. Don't be too harsh on your face. Make sure you do it and cover all the places. I like to do it here, that way you don't get any blackheads, because the way to reduce blackheads is obviously doing a good exfoliator. One of my friend taught me to do like a ABCD. That way you will finish it by the time you finish telling ABCDs, and you can use it on your lip too, just like a very soft scrub. And if you are in shower, you can obviously do around your neck and decollete. And if you feel like it's drying, you can add a little more water to it and then do the scrubbing. That way you don't make it too harsh. So that's it. It's not going to take much time, but it will make a huge difference in your skincare, because once you start exfoliating, you will see your makeup goes even more smoother, because until the skin underneath is better, your makeup is not going to look nice. So if you think like your makeup is patchy, or if you have skin dryness, then obviously it's time to exfoliate. It say applies same to the lips and too. So if your lips are little dry, then obviously use our lip smooth to exfoliate. I will do it in a separate video, and I'm going to go ahead and wash my face and be back. Just wipe it soft with the towel or a face cloth. And the this is, as I said, this one you can see I have been using it for quite a while. The newer facial resurfacer has started coming in new package, something similar to this. I don't have the newer version. I was sold out of this during this sale. I'm going to restock it anyway. And So that will even make it easier because you don't have to, if I know many people who have longer nails, if you don't want to put your fingers on, I usually ship it with a plastic thing like this so that you can use it. But since they have changed the packaging, it makes it easier. You can just squeeze it in your hand and rub it. I'm going to go ahead with my morning skincare. So the first thing is obviously my climate control. So I'm going to squeeze just 2 pumps in my hand, and the next one will be Sanaserum C. So even the Sanaserum C, they have changed the packaging. Mine is little older one, which will look cloudy. You should see the newer one. It is like literally mesmerizing. So I'm going to just do like a tiny drop, not even half a pump of it, and I'm just going to mix them and apply all over. This is my favorite way to apply both together. That way you get maximum benefits out of both. And the last one I'm going to go ahead is I'm going to do my day moisturizer. I am a normal to oily line. We do carry 4 of them. We carry dry, normal to dry, normal to oily, and oily to acne. I am a normal to oily type, so that is the moisturizer I use. And I'm going to finish off my look for today with my favorite Berry Blast glass. You can even throw a lip balm, but I have so many of these glosses which I would love to use every day because it's anyway going to moisturize your lips with vitamin E and shea butter. So being at home, I can just leave my skin to breathe in, and you can see how clean the skin looks after the exfoliation. And as I said, it's not going to take a lot of time. It is like just a tiny step in your skincare, but makes a huge difference. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy with your family. See you soon.